Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another flip through of the handwritten colored boxes. This is one of the 2020 releases and I am in love with this. This is so functional. There are 650 pieces. You get breakfast and lunch and dinner stickers. You get some checklists. And these are basically the same stickers throughout this book, but you get them in different color waves. So then you get appointments, meetings, volunteer, family time, start and finish, errands plan, crafts, reservations, movie night, meet, chores, and email. And then down at the bottom you get some call. You get a packing list, a shopping list, order and buy with some little icons. You get coffee date, birthday party, appointments, birthdays, weddings, and then payment due. You get schedule, call, buy, order, pick up, leave, come home, ETA, drop off, start, finish, RX pickups, plan, and then it goes into the next color wave, which is like the purpley blues. You get the same exact stickers on each page that I just showed you on those previous pages, but you get them in this color wave. And then you get the purples and lavenders. These are very functional. I actually really like this book. And then you get the orange, red, pink, and a little yellow. And then you get some gold foiled. And some silver foiled. And that is all of those. You get 650 pieces. And this is the handwritten colored boxes. I actually ordered this on the Happy Planners website, so that is where I got this one. I have not seen this one out at the store at all, actually. So yeah, if you're looking for the handwritten colored boxes, go to thehappyplanner.com. And if you have not already subscribed, if you enjoy my content, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I hope you enjoy. Please like this video, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner video.